Hey, massive fan of you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Okay, thank you very much, Connor. What do you think is the next smartphone fad that manufacturers chase after? E.g., who has the highest megapixel camera, biggest screen to body ratio, etc. The next one, besides folding seems like the obvious choice considering like Motorola's going after it in a different kind of form factor. We've talked about small phones in the past, like maybe a race back to portability could be a possible fad that's being chased after. Screen technology, battery technology, there's a few different ways to slice it. What would be interesting? I mean, there's kind of what I think will happen or is the most predictable. And then there's also just what I would like. I would love to have Will's showcasing these graphene batteries. I would love to have better battery life. Like a lot of people might not be old enough to remember original cell phone tech. You could get like a week. I mean, you didn't do anything on your phones except they sat on standby most of the time, but you could use a phone or have a phone powered up for like many days, maybe even a week. A smartphone that could do that seems really appealing to me. That would be a cool thing. Of course, up until this point, smartphones that are capable of anything close to that look terrible. Remember that Energizer phone that we showcased here? I mean, it just didn't seem practical at all. It was a tank. I don't even know if you're allowed to carry that on an airplane. It's just wild. I mean, the power consumption is still there, and this particular area hasn't advanced at the pace that I think a lot of people had expected or hoped for. So I think that could be a cool place to start from my personal taste. But I think the folding phone thing has a more of a wow factor to it, where people can be asking like, whoa, what is that? So some kind of a hybrid, some kind of a device that can really start to replace our more typical traditional gadgets like laptops and tablets. And the folding phone is the first transformer type of device that really does aim to solve or put two devices into one, put a large display into your pocket and become your main or only computing device. But then again, you got the Motorola concept, which is much different. They just try to make it even more portable, taking inspiration from the original Razr. So the fad of now is the folding phone. The fad of the future is the phone that you don't charge for a month. That'd be something I'd be interested in.